Hello everyone, welcome to Miho's craft room. Yay! See what I have today. I've been waiting for this romantic flower market. I have 2 kits. I ordered one more. I want to just open this one first and then I'll show you others. Everything I have here. Okay, let's start. Yay. Okay. We have paper pattern. They put this in this nice clear bag. I think it's a good idea. So I have paper pattern and look at the thread. So pretty thread and look at this canvas. It looks so beautiful already. Okay, 14 pound. Let's take a look from paper pattern. So it must be the same as what I have in Mona Lisa's kit. So how many colors do we have? Okay. There will be people who don't know about romantic flower market. Okay, this is the original Mona Lisa's paper pattern I'm working on with this kit. It's 11 count. Yes, the design is exactly the same, I think. And this kit has 124 colors total. Okay, let's take a look. I'm sorry for all the glares. I really love this design and love stitching it. Okay, this is the symbol chart. So the painting fairy cross stitch always put the same shape of symbol together. Yes, so that we can find it easily. So it seems to be all solid color. Maybe the colors are exactly the same as the Mona Lisa's kit. This is the color chart. Oh yes, it has 124 colors. I think the colors are the same. Let's see. I can't compare all the color number, but it seems to be the same. I think. Yes. 35. Yes, the same. Oh, look at this pattern. The paper pattern looks like this. You can see all the symbols very clear. Let's see. You know, I really love to stitching this kit, but sometimes it's a little difficult to distinguish some pattern, I mean some symbol. But this part, the color looks really similar. The light blue U-like symbol and blue. Okay, we'll have to take a look. So this kind of pattern. It's quite a big pattern, and this is 14 count. Okay, for more information, I'll check with the website. Okay, here. So it is 14 count, The size is 135 wide by 55 height. It's of course smaller than the 11 count kit. The size of 11 count kit of Painting Fairy also looks the same. So it is now flash sale and it's still available. So if you're interested, take a look at Painting Fairy's website. Okay. Also, you can use my discount code MIHO5 for 5% discount. Okay. Oh, it's paper pattern. So I think the pattern and the thread color is the same, and you'll see very nice print on the fabric, and I'm glad it's 14 count. Oh, look at this, very nice print. Okay, I was worrying about the symbol, and it looks nice. Yes, the color difference is very clearly, we can distinguish. Can you see? Okay, very nice print. Wow. So I'm stitching this part, this left side. Okay, so I didn't stitch that much, so it won't take long until I stitch as much as I did on the other canvas. Oh, look at this. This is the flower bucket part. Yes, symbols very clear. Looks very nice. Oh, so pretty. I'm glad they didn't change anything from the original. Yes. I will start again with this canvas, but if you already have the Mona Lisa's kit, we can just stitch together. I'll stitch this on once in every 2 weeks in a month. On Monday. Oh, so pretty. I'll show you the whole pattern later. Wow, I'm really happy to receive this. Okay, let's take a look at the thread. Wow. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful thread. Yes, it's 124 colors, so it is 30 colors for one thread card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 120 and 4 colors. Okay. Oh, look at this pretty color of ribbon. I'll show you the color. So Painting Fairy always put only the DMC code on the color card. Wow. Look at this color, very pretty. Wow, look at this purple shade, brown, blue and brown. Oh, it's here, so pretty. Okay, next one. 445 green. Oh, look at this green color. Oh, pink shade. I really want to start this one. Orange and yellow. Wow. Okay, next one. The blue. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, I'll show you the colors more. Here we have brown shade, green, more green. Okay, and $9.95. A lot of this color maybe for the building. I think it's pretty too. Beautiful colors. And here, oh, look at this. Very pretty. And I love this red. And the last four more. Very pretty. Wow, 124 colors. We can stitch this all solid color. No mixed thread. Okay, very nice. I'm really glad to have this romantic flower market in painting fairies quality canvas and thread. Thank you for sending me this beautiful kit. Okay, now I'll show you the other ones. Okay, we have this lovely second package. Look at this, so pretty. They put these kind of stuffs together, and thank you very much for sending this thread holder. I really love this thread holder when I keep my thread while I'm stitching. Thank you very much. I can use this for my mixed thread for other kids. Thank you very much. And this is the toolkit. I think it'll be always the same. Oh, wow, look at this. We have white lavabo. Oh, so cute. So I have these three colors and one more green cutie. Very cute. Thank you. Okay, and we have 3 bobbins. I really use this a lot. Thank you. And nice scissors. Pretty gold color. Look at this end of the scissor. Looks very nice to use. And finger protector. I use it on my thumb. And we have needles. I think it's 20 needles. Thank you very much. Okay, so we always have this brochure for their nice quality thread. So they use very nice Egyptian cotton for their Egyptian thread. Okay, this is the instruction how to stitch and their thread, how to clean the canvas after stitching. Oh, this way. Okay, and we have a thread sample. This is Fairy brand thread. Yes, thank you very much. Look at this quality. It's Egyptian thread, very clean and shining thread. Okay, thank you very much. And now what do we have more? And this is, oh wow, the symbol chart. Oh, I really like this. So these are what they use for their pattern. I wonder if they have all of them. But anyway, we can use this for this kind of additional thread card. Very nice. Oh, thank you. It's a very nice idea. Oh, we can use this. How come? Maybe we have to cut it. Okay. I like this anyway. And we have this one for gift. Thank you so much. I have seen this kit from other video and really wanted to have it. Oh, so cute. So let's take a look from this one. This one I purchased with my own money. Okay, look at this beautiful design. So it is also in this kind of plastic bag. Oh, look at this, beautiful. There are all the letter meaning love. I don't know most of them. Okay, very pretty. Look at this color, and the pattern will be very easy and pretty. This will be very relaxing stitching. See the language of love. So it has total only 8 colors. Okay. this is the pattern. Looks very easy, isn't it? But it'll be so pretty with the stitches. Wow. It is $12.40 in US dollar for 14 count, right? Yes, 14 count. Okay, check it out if you are interested. Now, let's take a look. Oh, look at this thread card. So pretty colors. All the colors are so pretty. Wow, all my favorite colors. Very nice. Very cute. And look at this canvas. The language of love. I really love this. Very beautiful. We can see the clear pattern, the clear symbols. Very nice. So this is partial. We don't have to stitch this line. Very good. Very pretty. Okay. The next one. Wow, look at this cute little prince. Oh, so cute. Okay. This is partial. Wow, so pretty. It has 23 colors and a lot of backstitch, I think. This must be backstitch. Wait, so this kind of symbol lines indicate the so for sweet and black, this symbol is for 1 strand and this is 2 strand backstitch. So I have to be careful. And this one, a lot of backstitch. So a lot of backstitch with different number of strand. So we'll have to check. And we have 3 blended color. So we'll check the color number with the thread card. This is the pattern here. So this kind of these are the backstitch. Oh, look at this face. The face color is also just blank canvas. So only part we have to fill in is his clothing and some stars. So it'll be really fast to finish. Look at this yellow color for his clothing and star. But we have a lot of colors, so it is total 15 and 22. 22 different colors. Oh, very pretty. Black and blue, orange, and we have yellow. These are all for the stars. A lot of thread, I think. 22 numbers. And we have this one in a 16 count. Okay. Oh, look at this canvas. It's 16 count. Very pretty. Wow. Very nice. He's so cute. Wow, this is all yellow. Very cute. I really love this. You can find this on the website. It is this one. You can check for the size. It is 34 centimeters by 42 centimeters for 16 count. So it is the size of canvas. So design size will be smaller. So check it out if you're interested. Very cute. Thank you so much for sending me this pretty one. Thank you very much, Painting Fairy Cross Stitch, and thank you very much for watching my videos, everybody. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button, and please leave me a comment if you are starting this kit with me, and if you are already stitching, let's stitch together this one. I'll see you on the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.